on the raising prices thing, I wanted to ask you because yes, some places are seeing these huge increases in utility. Some places aren't. And you and I have talked about this before, and we talked about this before we hit record too. Like as an industry, generally speaking, we're not the greatest at raising prices. But we're in a period of time right now where if you don't, you're gonna get left behind in this, and you're not going to be able to survive. The costs are going up, rents are going up, utilities are going up, interest rates are going up, equipment prices are going up, everything's going up, right? You have to be on top of raising your prices, and generally speaking, we're afraid to do that. So, what have you seen other owners who are pretty good at doing this? What have you seen them doing to help them raise prices and communicate with customers?
They are explaining to their customers why they're doing it. For example, I know some owners in California with this recent price increase that you've had with gas, they've put notices on their front doors explaining to the customer, hey, this was my gas bill 3 months ago. This is my gas bill now. It's unfortunate, but I have to raise prices. And the customer understands because the customer is seeing the same increases in their apartments or their homes. So they get it. The other thing that I know, I have a customer in California. Every year he does something to his laundry. If he might be repainting it, he might have replaced the ceiling, he might have done something to the floor. And when he does that, he raises his prices. And so the customer sees, hey, this guy is giving me something back in this store. So I understand if he's raised my prices a little bit. So you've got to show the customer that you're doing it for a valid reason, not that you're doing it to be greedy. And most laundry owners today, I think, understand that. You're giving to the community, you're giving to the customer base. If it costs a little more, but you've got a better mousetrap, they're going to come. So that's the way I would do it. If I was in business today in any state, I would be doing something every year that would be a justification for me to raise my prices.
Yeah.